Hi, this is Alan from Global Sugar Art, and today I want to show you how to make a nice crisp corner on the top of a fondant cake. You know, years ago, we actually used to bake with what they called contour pans that had a real gradual slope on the top of the cake. There were special pans so that you had that slope, that coped edge. Now the style is nice, crisp, clean corners. So I've just covered this cake with fresh fondant, and I'm using these sugar smoothers, which we have on globalsugarart.com. There are 3 sets in the package, 2 thin and 1 thick. It's your choice on which ones you use, whichever you're more comfortable with. I really like the thin ones, and they are very thin and very flexible. The process is super easy. Take the larger one and just lay it on the top. Now be careful, you're going to be pressing down a little bit on the edge of this. Don't get your hand all over the top of the cake or you're going to leave fingerprints. So you just want to press toward the edge of the cake, and then with the small one, I'm going to press down with this one and I'm going to press in with this one. And then I'm just going to rub back and forth just like that. And just move an inch or so at a time. I'm just pressing on the very edge at the top. And you can start seeing that edge is sharpening versus what I had before. So how sharp you make this edge is totally up to how patient you are. If you want to go over the cake 4 or 5 times and really get a nice sharp edge, you can do that. This is the easiest way to put a nice finishing edge on a cake. No border is required when you do this. It just makes a beautiful finish. So that sort of gives you the idea of how to do it. Now the other use for these is smoothing the side of the cake. And I like them actually better than this. And the reason is this isn't curved. When you're pressing this up and down on the cake, you've got a flat surface going against a rounded surface. It's great for a square cake, but not a round cake. With these, you're using your hand and you're bending your fingers, so you're actually conforming to the cake. And you can get a beautiful smooth edge, or sides, excuse me. And the same thing with the top. If you've got a little divot or a little mark, you can choose one of these and just put your finger, put a little bit of pressure, and go in a circular motion, and you can work it right out. So again, these are the sugar smoothers available at globalsugarart.com. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.